Melon, what's up? Today we're gonna be we're gonna be downloading some scary mods, and I already have some set up for us. So let's get in this video. So today, Melon, we found some. We're gonna find 20. We're gonna find 20 mods today. So let's go. And the first one is called the Gumball Guardian. What? Look at this thing. And let's see if it can crush a melon. It's walking. Ooh. Oh, it did crush. Wait, want to test something before we go on to our next one? Oh, no! Let me test something. Can you break open the glass? Yes, you can! The gumballs are falling out! Gumballs. Oh my god. Let's just go to our next mod. Let's just go on. Melon, welcome to this next mod. It's called Carnage. Whatever it's called, but it's from Spooderman. Okay, let's go. Bang bang. Let's do some stuff with this mod. That didn't hurt him at all. Okay, what about this? Ooh, what did those syringe do? Let me see a syringe. Okay, that just makes him acid. Okay, y'all know now. Let's kick you. I like they're 3D. They look like 3D kind. How did they survive the acid dang? Like you can actually use them. They're glitching out. They're glitching out. Oh no. Tomato! Watch out! Watch out, tomato. Tomato! Wait, tomato, watch out! Oh, tomato! Tomato! No, what happened to you? Next mod, our third mod. Melon, this is kind of like a bonus mod. This is like 5 more mods, but we're on our 8th mod now because these ones are called entities. And they have different numbers. Just look up entity in the workshop and you should find these. So we got Golem Melon. Like a Skinwalker Melon. We got corn. I don't know what is this guy. Cactus. What happened to him? And copy of Mommy Longlegs pumpkin. All right, let's see. Let's see if you can fight him. Okay. Wait. This is so funny. Why are they so long? Oh! Oh my god. Melon! No! Fight back! I don't think he can't fight back. Was he just... Oh, Melon. Alright, let's move on to our next mod. Get beat up. Okay, we're just doing this quick. Y'all go. Pumpkin. I kind of want to use this little chainsaw he has. So use this little chainsaw. Oh, Melon! No, Melon. Melon bleeding. Melon. Alright, Skinwalker Melon. You're dead. Before Melon dies, Iron Golem Melon. Why I say iron, bro? And he is dead. Alright, let's move on to our next mods. Let's go. Melon. For our 9th mod, meet Squirtle. Hey Squirtle, what's up? He's friendly. Come on, he's friendly. He is friendly. Yes, Squirtle's friendly. All you have to do, Squirtle's friendly. Look, he is so friendly. he is friendly. Yeah, Squirtle's so friendly. Let him eat you. Yum, yum, yum. Pumpkin shocked. Pumpkin shocked. But Pumpkin's fixing to die too. Pumpkin's fixing to feel Melon's pain. Nope. Bro's upside down now. Okay, he is scared. His friends just died. He's running away. But get back here. Alright, Squirtle. You were a pretty fun mod. We gotta move on to our 10th mod, I think. Yeah, 10th. Let's go. Melon. I know. You already saw Gumball Guardian, but now it's Tree Guardian. This guy is a guardian for the forest. No, bro, I didn't even get to say his words. Melon's last words. Corn, don't do it. Don't stop. No, Corn's gonna shoot him. Corn, I don't think a pistol can work, but okay. Corn, I don't think a gun's gonna work on him. Yeah, you just made him more angry. He gave you some spare. Now oh my god, bro got the longest legs ever. Pumpkin's trapped on the wall. He's hoping for hope. Another corn. Okay. Pumpkin's trapped on the wall. He's hoping for hope. Nah, he won't get no hope. Oh my god. Apple. You're just gonna die by getting flinged in the air. Yeah, bye. You're a good mod. It's called Tree Guardian if y'all want the mod. Bye Tree Guardian. Go to your jungle. Counts as 2 mods, so this is probably like our 12th mod because this is a Sea Melon mod. It's called Sea Melon. But you may be asking, why are we here and why am I Sea Melon? Because you're fixing to go diving, because you're fixing to find this monster called the Sea Reaper. He's a sea monster. Wait, he just wants a little snack. He just wants some friends. Come here. Ah, yum. Let's take tasty snack. Corn, don't go down there. Corn's trying to swim up. No, you can't. He feels you. Ah, you're next, Corn. You're next. Corn, you're next. Get in there. He's hungry for some more food. He's going back up. By the way, the mod's called Sea Reaper and Sea Melon. I had to pronounce it right. I had to pronounce it again if you didn't hear me. He's going to eat it. He's going to eat the last of Sea Melon. No, Sea Melon. Yum. Yeah. Sorry, buddy. We gotta move on to our next mod. Keep eating Sea Melon. Alright, he's going down to the bottom. Bye-bye. Now, Melon, you just saw Sea Reaper, but now you're going to see something called Sea Hybrant. It's a little fish that's hungry as well. He can walk on land. Run, Melon! Run! Go back in the ocean! I don't think it's safe to go in the ocean. He's swimming down! He's running! No, Melon! He's getting eaten. He likes to eat Sea Hybrant. This is our 13th mod now. Sea Hybrant! It's called Sea Hybrant, as you can see in the menu. Get your goofy self out of here. Buddy. Yum. Eat your food. Eat your food with your dad. Eat your food with your dad. I have to go to see the other mods. Bye. On to our 14th mod. Melon, you're sick of, because we're at the water map. Why are we here again? A shark wants to say hi. He's jumping out the water to get his food. He cannot breathe for a very long time, so he has to crush his food. It's fit. Yeah. Then he's going back in the water with his food. He's very picky, but he likes his food. He's a great fish for a great role play. And it's called Melon Shark. Pumpkin's trying to run. Poor Pumpkin. Poor Pumpkin. Poor Pumpkin. Pumpkin, run! Run! It's Corn. He's trying to save his life, but he is fixing to get eaten too. You're fixing to feel your friend's pain. He's in his stomach. He's in his stomach. Ah! Bye. Bye, Corn. Apple, I don't think you even have no hope. I don't think you even have no hope. Go eat your food, bro. I gotta go to my next mod, bro. I gotta hurry up in this video. Down to our 15th mod. Let's go. To our 16 mods. You're sick of being in ocean, but this is the last time. Then we're gonna go to the normal map because I think this is the guy from Pressure on Roblox, but his real name is called Shark. It's called Frustrate. What is it called? What is it called? Wait, where is it called again? What is it called again? What is it called again? Get out my head. Get out my head. What is it called? It's called Frustration something. Wait. Come on, what is it called? What is it called? What is it called? What the? I can't even think of it now. What the heck? Wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. Hold on, hold on. No. What is he called? What the heck? No. It's called Eye Frustration. It's called Eye Frustration. And if you look at him, you're dead. So basically, he's getting out the water. So basically, if you look at him, if you look at him, Corn, if you look at him, don't look at him, you're basically dead. But he can eat you as well, so that's his food for today. That's his food for today. That's his food for today. He likes his food. And Melon's going down there. I'll give you more food, and then we have to move on to our next one. You get corn, cactus, and apple, and I have to move on to our 17th mod. All right, get apple, cactus, Eye Frustration, y'all. That's the mod. All right, let's go. Down to our 17th mod. I know I lied again, but I found another sea monster, and this is our last one. The Kraken. Look at his name. Like, come on. It's called Kraken. It's just called Kraken. That's all it's called. And it looks like this. He wants some food. He's hungry. You know he likes to be hungry. He's hungry. He will smash you apart. Hey guys, it's a normal day to walk. It's just a normal day. It's a normal day. It's just a normal day. Wait, what's that sound? Yeah, y'all should look back. Y'all should look back. Look back. BAM! No! Yes. Get smashed. Get snatched. And that's the Kraken. Let's move on to our 18th mod now. Bye, Kraken. So, Melon, I found this monster called the Spider. And look at it. He got eaten. I'm gonna eat. Wait, what's that little thing? Oh, that's a gun. Wait, let's try it out. I'm gonna try it out. Yep. Stay down, dragon fruit. Yep. And you? I don't care about you. I don't care about you. Oh my god. You wanna eat 2 more people before I go to my 19th mod? Well, that's a yes. Alright, let's go. Yes! And here's your last pumpkin before I go. Bye. Yep, bye. Bye. Melon, for our 19th mod, I found a monster called the Titanus Titan Map. This is how you spell it. Look up Titan, then put us. And then it should say Titanus Titan Map. You can get all these in Workshop for free. Come here. If I'm wrong on one, just comment down below. But this is a little cool. He's pretty long, and let's play with him for a little bit more time. As we just got him we played with him for 2 seconds. So let's play for him for a little bit more. Get out, Spidey. I don't think you're not gonna survive. Yep. And that's your last food for today. And sorry, we're going to our last mod, which is bye-bye. Just bye-bye. Okay, let's go to our 20th mod, our final one. Okay, let's go. And for the final mod and winner, the final monster is called Lasso. Here's what it looks like. I'm gonna eat you. It has this where you can eat him. And he has these little claws. So, yeah, and he has a tail that you can literally smash. Or can launch in the air. And for the final thing, before we end the video, let's play with you for a little bit. And he has these little claws you can stab with. Let's play with you. Okay. So, I'm gonna eat you. Okay, now I will get you. Nope. That's laggy. But that's the end of the video. If you enjoy, bye-bye.